But we are coming off a huge day in the markets for the TSX, which made some really big gains yesterday. Tyler Orton with Business in Vancouver is joining us now with more. So Tyler, what are we seeing so far in early trading for the TSX?
Yeah, we hit 20,000 points for the first time ever. It closed just underneath that yesterday, and we are seeing that, the TSX is trading just below 20,000 points yet again. We're down about 50 points from the close of yesterday, and these gains are coming from a big swath of industries, everything from financial firms to the energy sector. One factor, though, uniting a lot of these businesses traded on Canada's main stock index is that they are tied to commodities in one way or another. Oil prices are up. Lumber prices are hitting all-time highs. Even if you're not an oil company or a lumber company, the broader economy is benefiting and driving the market upwards, as well as the loonie. So the markets, they've kind of been detached from reality of the pandemic for the last year or so, but I would not rule out a correction coming sometime this summer, especially with inflation pressures on the rise. Central banks, they might be inclined to hike rates, and that might make some investors a little jittery moving forward past, maybe July into August.
All right. Well, we will definitely be keeping an eye on that. And another story that's making headlines today has to do with Drake and Canopy Growth. They had a bit of a partnership, but they're parting ways now. Do we know why and what more about this deal went sideways?
Well, it's kind of a mystery at this point what is going on, but new financial documents reveal that this split between the two parties here, it actually happened in March. Now, there had been hints for just over a year, ever since the two sides struck that joint venture back in 2019, that maybe they did not see eye to eye on their plans to sell both cannabis products as well as accessories in Canada and in the global market when that opportunity arises. Both Drake and Canopy, they're not really divulging what went wrong here, but the financial documents reveal that Canopy is actually going to have to take a $10 million impairment as a result of this partnership coming to an end. So never saw eye to eye, it seems, with regards to this partnership here.
Interesting. All right. Well, we'll see if Drake ends up partnering with another company in the future. Tyler, thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you, Sonia.